For the triangle pose, you'll start with both feet together, standing upright. You're gonna take a big inhale and step out wide in front of you, pointing one toe out to the side, and the back foot remains in a neutral position, either perpendicular to the front or at a 45-degree angle. Both legs stay nice and extended. You're gonna raise both arms up parallel to the ground with palms up, and then you're gonna rotate, bending at the waistline, bringing the bottom arm in front of the ankle of your front leg and the top arm parallel right above your head. Look up towards your top hand and breathe deeply. You want to make sure that your hips stay in and you're not bending them out. So keep everything nice and in line, as if you're trying to flatten yourself to a wall.